Looking for the best mini drones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 5. Fix8 Mini B2. The best budget mini drone. If you're looking for an affordable drone with impressive features, the Fix8 Mini B2 is a great option. This compact drone lets you shoot stunning 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, giving you clear, bright footage for all your aerial adventures. It also takes decent 12-megapixel still photos, ensuring your memories are captured with great clarity. The Fix8 Mini B2 comes with a 3-axis gimbal that stabilizes your video, delivering smooth, professional-looking results. Its level 5 wind resistance makes it suitable for various weather conditions. And if the weather gets too windy, the return-to-home function will bring the drone back safely. With a video transmission range of up to 9 kilometers, you can explore and capture more from a distance. However, this drone doesn't have an obstacle avoidance system, so it's best to fly it in open spaces until you get more experience. The Fix8 Mini B2 offers great performance at an affordable price, making it an excellent choice for high-quality aerial photography and videography without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this drone offers exceptional value. Number 4. Holy Stone. Best mini drone for kids. Looking for a fun, user-friendly drone? Meet the Holy Stone Mini Drone. Its design makes flying a breeze with features like toss to launch and circle fly. It's perfect for kids and beginners. The one-key start or landing and altitude hold options ensure easy control and stable hovering. It's an enjoyable way to get started with drones. 3 speed modes cater to different skill levels. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned flyer, there's a setting for you, the 2.4 GHz. Remote control allows multiple drones to race without interference. It's great for group activities and competitions. You'll love the extended flight time. 3 batteries mean you get up to 21 minutes of fun. Low battery power alarms add peace of mind so you never lose the drone mid-flight. Safety is a priority with propeller guards to protect little hands and an emergency stop for quick landings. It's reassuring for parents and safe for kids. Its compact size makes it easily portable. You can take it to parties, hikes, or even school. It fits in your pocket but offers big fun. However, sometimes the drone feels a bit light. On windy days, it can be tricky to handle. With a bit of patience, it's manageable. Overall, this mini drone is a superb choice for novices and young enthusiasts. Don't miss out. Check out the Holy Stone Mini Drone today. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Best 4K camera mini drone. The DJI Mini 4 Pro represents a significant upgrade to the already impressive Mini 3 Pro. While the quality of still images remains excellent, you now have the capability to shoot 4K video at up to 100 frames per second, enabling you to capture stunning slow-motion footage. One of the standout improvements is the enhanced obstacle avoidance system. The Mini 4 Pro features an active track 360 omnidirectional system, making your flying experience safer and more reliable. This upgrade is particularly beneficial for beginners, offering you peace of mind while flying and making it easier to take the plunge into premium mini drones. When it comes to flight time, the Mini 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. You get a solid 34 minutes on a single charge for extended flying sessions. Consider the Fly More Combo Pack, which includes the DJI RC2 and 2 extra batteries. If you opt for the Fly More Combo Plus, you'll enjoy a total of 2 hours and 15 minutes of flight time, ensuring you have ample opportunity to capture every moment. In summary, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers both advanced features and user-friendliness, making it a fantastic choice. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting, with improved video capabilities, upgraded obstacle avoidance, and substantial flight time, this drone is bound to elevate your aerial photography and videography experiences. Number 2. Deer CD70. Best foldable mini drone. Discover the thrill of flight with the Deer CD70 mini drone. This compact drone is perfect for beginners and families exploring camera drones. With the Deer CD70, you can dive into the drone world with ease. Beginner-friendly features make this drone stand out. One-button takeoff and landing simplify the experience, and headless mode ensures intuitive controls. Gesture selfie lets you snap photos effortlessly, and speed switch caters to both novices and advanced users. 2 modular batteries extend your flight sessions to up to 22 minutes. Competing models often fall short in this department, making the Deer CD70 a stellar choice for longer adventures. A control range of up to 130 feet provides ample space to explore the skies. Its foldable design makes this drone exceptionally portable. You can slip it into your pocket and take it anywhere. A detailed manual guides you with accurate instructions ensuring a smooth start. The 720p camera delivers crisp photos and videos, a fantastic addition for budding photographers. While the flight range is impressive, a more extended range would offer even more freedom. However, the current range is sufficient for most users. Dive into the exciting world of drones with the Deer CD70 Mini drone and create unforgettable memories. And finally, the number 1. DJI Mini 2 SE. Best drone overall. If you're seeking a solid performing mini drone without needing the absolute top-tier image quality, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a fantastic choice. This drone strikes an ideal balance between quality and value, outperforming other mini drones in its price range with its superior camera and impressive features. One of the standout aspects of the DJI Mini 2 SE is its camera capability. With a 24mm full-frame equivalent wide-angle lens and an f2.8 aperture, this drone captures stunning images and video that will meet the expectations of most users. Whether you're documenting your travels or just exploring your photography skills, this drone provides reliable performance. Weighing in at less than 250 g and boasting compact pocket-sized dimensions when folded, the DJI Mini 2 SE is incredibly portable, making it easy to bring along on any adventure. It's also a top choice for beginners thanks to its user-friendly design and advanced features. The automated flight paths allow for effortless operation, while the level 5 wind resistance ensures stable flights even in challenging conditions. Additionally, the return-to-home function provides peace of mind, automatically bringing the drone back to its takeoff point if it loses connection or runs low on battery. Overall, if you're new to drones or looking for a reliable portable option that doesn't compromise on essential features, the DJI Mini 2 Southeast is well worth considering. You will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which mini drone you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.